Janine, lakas makabudol, kaya love na love ng nobyong si Eko. Nagbahagi nga si Janine Gutierrez ng kanyang beauty routine at kung ano ang epekto sa kanya, especially sa kanyang face. Ang bago niyang ini-endorso na Nivea Luminous 630. Ipinakita ng actress kahit nasa beach siya ay pak na pak pa rin at bagay na bagay ang Nivea. Kaya pala lalong gumaganda at nagiging blooming ang dalaga dahil dito.
Hey guys, here's my video journal and my journey to luminous skin. I love spending time in the sun, but we don't love the sunspots, and here's where Nivea Luminous 630 comes in. See the major improvements. Visible changes in just 7 days and even more after 14. What's the magic? It's thiamidol, Nivea's patented ingredient that targets dark spots at the cellular level. No other brand has it, so this is exclusive to Nivea. And it's not just about fading spots. It also gives you luminous skin without causing any sensitivity. It's a simple routine. In the morning, I use the Luminous 630 Anti-Spot Serum and then the daily moisturizer with SPF 50 PA+++. At night, the Anti-Spot Serum is still the first step, but I pair it with the Night Complexion Repair, which locks in moisture and helps target dark spots while I sleep. This works on all skin types, so this is definitely gonna work for you. Grab yours now at Watson's, online or in-store, or Lazada and Shopee. Say goodbye to dark spots and hello to luminous skin with Nivea Luminous 630.
Tila marami namang nabudol si Nini, kaya narito ang kanilang naging komento. Ang aking munyeka, so pretty, I love you. Kagwapa, Jude. Pwede po ba yan sa senior citizen? Yes, of course, for all ages and skin types. At Janine Gutierrez, thank you. Blessed Sunday, God bless you always. Nivea forever. Me too. I first saw it from my mom. Pa-trusted ever since. OMG, kiligan forever Nini, diba? Gandang Nivea, madam. At Janine Gutierrez, love you. Glad to see you smile, Nini. OMG, actually, I was supposed to post this last week pa. I love you always, mami. Na Barbie pa. Sobrang Latina. Nivea everyday. We love you, so pretty always. Makatry nga ng Nivea mo, Nini. Yes, available in Watson's and online. Face card never declined from then until now. Nivea everyday. I love Nivea products too. Yes, the lotion is great too. Mukhang mabubudol ako. Bad trip na sunspots yan. Thanks sa Janine Gutierrez. Try it. Sobrang Latina mo naman, idol. Grabe, sobrang ganda mo, Ate Nini. Solid Nivea user. Sobrang recommended. So beautiful. Hello po. Cute po talaga. Sana po mapansin ako. Shoutout po. Ang ganda-ganda naman ng girl namin. I love you so much. At Janine Gutierrez. Sobrang Latinang ng Nivea. Ito ang gamit ko. Ganda, Janine. Idol. Super bait. Stunning, Janine. Sobrang ganda talaga at blooming. Ganda naman. Bili ako niyan. So happy that you are now a Nivea baby. And I am Nivea user for like 3 decades. Now, their products are amazing. Wow, perfect and beautiful and lovely face. And hot. I love you, I love you, I love you. So pretty and fresh. Nini. Well, ito lang naman ang beauty routine ni Janine, kaya naman totally fresh at blooming. Kaya naman lalong nai-inlove sa kanyang nobyong si Jericho Rosales na palaging gustong makapahiling ang nobya. Kita naman sa actor na in love siya kay Janine na inaalagaan at minamahal niya ng gusto. Kaya so happy din ang mga Ekoning supporters at umaasa sila na ang matamis na pag-iibigan ni na Eko at Nini ay sa simbahan din mauuwi balang araw. Kung nagustuhan nyo ang video na ito, comment down below.